Let's build on that and go a bit deeper. Could you elaborate on how the triage area is designed to facilitate rapid assessment and appropriate routing of patients? For example, are there specific spatial or equipment considerations that ensure efficiency and patient safety in this initial zone?
Firstly, let's look at the meaning of triage. As you mentioned, when we admit or when we receive the patients to this area, I mean emergency department, firstly we should assess the patients according to their condition. If we are talking about very urgent situation, we should directly transfer the patient from this area to treatment or procedure rooms. So, how do we do this activity in this emergency department? Yes, as you mentioned, there is triage zone. Triage zone, actually, we have two parts in this zone. One of them for ambulant patients, second one is for ambulance patients. And by the way, registration desk should be very adjacent to this area, next to the area, because at the same time, when a staff or doctor assess the patient's conditions, at the same time we should take the record of the patient at the same time. And by the way, we should separate this area from waiting area. Let's go back to entrance of the emergency. When we receive the patient, first area is waiting zone. Directly we are taking the patient to triage zone, and we assess the patient condition, and according to the patient conditions, we are taking the patient from this zone to treatment areas. But relatives of the patient should wait in this waiting rooms. They cannot enter the treatment areas from this zone. So when we go back to the triage zone, as I mentioned, triage could be just desk or room, but we cannot talk about the room that has doors and the other furnitures. We talk about very empty area, because we are taking patients with stretchers, and we should move around the stretcher to check the patient's conditions. It should be very accessible area. And as I mentioned, after assessment process, we are taking the patient from this room to treatment areas.
Thank you for that thorough explanation.